Hello everyone. I will showcase a new to Titan. Really a 3 Titan, but I not have any Robux. It in a tier 2. First Titan speaker or boombox repaired. This is a Titan boombox repaired. Let's showcases. Skill 1 shoot. Skill 2 scream. Skill 3 core laser. Skill 4 stomp. Skill 5 knife. Now do you need kill box for empower? Now, I'm get a 100% for empower. Skill 1 empower mode shoot.
Skill 2 empower mode stomp. Skill 3 empower mode screen. Skill 4 empower mode core laser. Skill 5 empower mode ultra shoot. Alright, that all skill of Titan boombox repair. I see you a part 2.